Well, hello everyone. We're back on the Lotus again. I've cleaned up this area in here. Got a crack here. This is what's helping to let this bulge out. So I've got the jacks in it and the sky hook to where that lines up nice. I've got it recessed out so I can lay some glass in it. Cut this little piece off. This goes underneath. I'll glue that back in with some extra mat, so it'll give me an indication how to build that lip so this body side molding will have something to attach to. And after that gets in there nice, then I'll glue this panel here back on. So that's where we're at. As you can see, we've got some glasswork laid in. Attach this corner down here. Let this build up here. And got the curvature piece put in the bottom. Got some mat sandwiched between the pieces. So that's all to be done at this point. Got to let this set up and dry. It's going to take several hours. And then we'll do the piece here over the top, fill in these holes, and start attacking this piece here, which will involve these cracks in here, which is what's supporting the biggest part of the hood. So continue on. And here we have the piece that I had cut out, all fixed up on the back side, and now got it all glued in place. So we'll see that everything is good. I'll put some more matting in across the seam, countersink the holes and fill them up, and go on to this chunk. I've already prepped the surface here, got all the holes countersunk, and this material here is they call it short strand fiberglass. It's pretty much already chopped up glass in the resin. It's a nice spreadable consistency, has pretty good strength, and it is waterproof. Not that that affects this repair. But I've gone over and smoothing out the areas, building up a little of this material on top so that when I sand it, it will have a layer between this and the original glass. So I'll have some consistency on the hardness of all the materials, and it gives me something to shape. Nothing too spectacular about the technique here. I'm trying not to cover up my little areas that define this protruding lip that the side molding puts on, just to save me some time later on. All that will have to be done more or less hand sanding, finger work. Very little power tool will be involved in that portion of it. And make sure I've got a nice even layer with no air gaps. I've even added a little bit extra resin to this mixture so that it has a little longer dry time. Gives it a little bit more ability to soak into the the underneath repairs that I've done with my fiberglass material I've put in and the factory. It's made this area real strong, feeling real good about it. This is more of an update video, just of where we're at, and the next one we'll cut into that front section, get into the hood support area, and address that great big gapping hole, see what we can come up with. So this is just an update video. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on part 5.